So we're here to talk about conquering disease, and we're here to communicate that the University of Rochester is a national powerhouse in the research domain, in the medical research domain. National powerhouse. We punch way above our weight for a pretty small little town.
I think, you talk about curing diseases and getting rid of bad diseases. In the context that you're doing it to save patients' lives, to help alleviate pain and suffering and prolong life, all the right reasons. It's really what keeps you going. So at whatever stage you happen to be working, which is part of this complicated matrix, I think, the goals in general are the same.
None of this happens in a single person's mind or a single laboratory. It often is the culmination of lots of efforts and lots of places that lead to breakthroughs or realizations of how something is going to move forward.
I'm a material science engineer by training. That's what my PhD is in. But I'm a professor, an associate professor in biomedical engineering and also orthopedics, because I ask questions about biology and approach them from an engineering perspective.
This is a real movement in the field. It's to people who are trained in multiple disciplines, across boundaries, really breaking the old ways of thinking about this, but also putting together teams of folks that are across all of these traditional boundaries.
Rochester does a good job of bringing those groups together and having them work together. That's definitely been my experience at the university. But you can't, that very trite saying, it takes a village. It really takes a huge village to move things through the pipeline and to cures.
I think you also get to the point, it's where the opportunity is.
Many places, very, generally speaking, are either very research focused or they're very education focused. And for an institution to excel in both, as well as clinical care, I think that's a very unusual combination, and Rochester is one of the few places that I can think of that does that really well.
Task dismissed.